Howdy everyone, I am Pavni.
My name is Manojna.
We both are studying in 9th class in Sri Sharda Vidyanilayam located in Krantinagar,
Vishakhapatnam.
Andhra Pradesh. So now we are going to do 7 segment display on Arduino board.
The main aim of this experiment is to know the Arduino connection with 7-segment display from 0 to 9 numbers, even including with dot.
So to do any experiment, we need some components. In the same way, to do this Arduino experiment, we need some components. And the components required are Arduino board. So in Arduino board, we have many types like Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, etc. But in this experiment, we are using Arduino UNO board. So we also know that in Arduino UNO board, we have two types of pins. One is analog pins and the other is digital pins. So in this experiment, mostly we will try to use digital pins. So coming to the breadboard. We know about breadboard because it is the basic need for any circuits. Because it is used to insert or to connect components from one place to another place.
And now coming to the jumper wires. As we know these are the jumper wires, we need 11 jumper wires in this experiment. And jumper wires are used to connect two poles in place of soldering. Jumper wires are of 3 types, which is male to male jumper wires, male to female jumper wires, and female to female jumper wires. So in this experiment we are using male to male jumper wires. And with the help of these pins, we can easily identify these are the male to male jumper wires. So now coming to the 7-segment display. It is an object which illuminates 7 different segments, and it is used to connect or display numbers or characters with a combination of 7 different segments. So now coming to the image. So this is the image, and with the help of this image, today we are going to do connections. And these are the common pin, and the rest of the pins are used to connect in digital pins.
So coming to the Arduino UNO cable. So we all know about the USB cables. In the same way, for the Arduino UNO board, we have an Arduino UNO cable to connect the system with the Arduino.
So now coming to the procedure.
So in procedures of Arduino, we have two categories. One is connection and the other is coding. So now let us know deep about connection, and then furtherly of this video, we will know about the coding.
So take a breadboard and insert the 7-segment display on breadboard. After inserting, take a 10 jumper wires as we shown here and insert all the 10 jumper wires to the 7-segment display on breadboard.
Keep them tight and fit so that you can avoid the loose connection of the objects.
So like this, we are inserting all the 10 jumper wires to the 7-segment on breadboard. So after inserting all the 10 jumper wires to the 7-segment display on breadboard, take a common jumper wires of the two sides and insert it on the negative side of breadboard. After inserting that, take another jumper wire and insert it on the negative side on breadboard, which we have taken it common, and insert the jumper wire to the ground of digital pins. After inserting, take the rest of the pins and insert it in any digital pins. So let us insert A equals to 13, B equals to 12, C equals to 11, D equals to 10, E equals to 9, F equals to 8, G equals to 7, and DP equals to or H equals to 6. So this is the procedure or connection how to do the Arduino connection with the help of 7-segment display on breadboard.
So coming to the coding of this experiment is displayed or available in the description of this video. So I think you all have understood the connection, and you can also see the coding in the description of this video. So as we know, this is the Arduino UNO cable. We will insert it in this port. So after verifying and after uploading the coding, we can observe the result as follows.
So like this we will get from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 and dot.
So I think you all have understood this concept of 7-segment display on Arduino.
And please do like and subscribe our Sri Shraddha Vidya Nilayam channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.